create a clip, you have three options: create from a template, create from scratch, or upload a file. You select a template from one of the categories and then click Add to Playlist. Give the template a name add it to a category, and then give it a title, and you'll see that it now appears here. And in the description you can do the same. As you fill in the field, the preview will update automatically. This allows you to use the design of the template, but to add your own images and writing to make them your own. The next step would be to add it to a playlist by clicking Save and then following the steps. Your second option is to create from scratch using the template creator. You select the orientation and then drag and drop text, image, and shape. You can then move them, adjust them, and make changes. You then give it a name, state how long it should last, that's 10 seconds, and click Save. The template will now be in your media library. Your third creation option is to upload a file and give it a name. Choose a name here, click Save. All three of these types of clips can then be added to a playlist. So these are your three creation options on the platform, which give you plenty of opportunities to get creative and to easily make some informative and effective digital signage content. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.